Welcome back, scholars. We are going to use the same description that we used yesterday. Use less than, equal, or greater than symbols to complete the following inequality and equation. And this time, if you notice, the equation has subtraction included. But we're going to follow the same principles as when there was addition. The operation was addition. All right, so let's start with 823. We know that there are 8 hundreds, there are 2 tens, there are 3 ones. The value of the 8 in the hundreds place is 800. The value of the 2 in the tens place is 20. The value of the 3 in the ones place is 3. Now let's look at the next number, 923. 923. So we know that there are 9 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. So already we can see that the numbers in the tens and ones place are the same with these two numbers, but the number in the hundreds place in 923 is greater than the number 823. Has 9 hundreds and this one has 8 hundreds. But let's continue the problem. Minus subtraction. You're going to subtract 100. Now remember, you're not subtracting tens or ones because there is a 0 in those places. So to represent no change to occur in those places. So we have 900, essentially 900 minus 100, which is 800. And we're just going to keep the 23 because we did not subtract anything from those places. And now we're going to take that number and subtract 100 more, minus 100. And again, I'm trying to make room, but that's not even. All right, so 800 minus 100 is, and I'm going to put the number, the answer over here, 723. Again, the only number that changed is the number in the hundreds place. We're subtracting 100 from 800, but we're not subtracting anything from 23. So now we have 723, but are we finished? No. We need to make sure, we always go back to the directions to make sure we've followed them. Use the less than, equal to, greater than symbols to complete the inequality and equation. So even though we did all this work, we haven't responded to the original statement. All right, so this number is 723, and this number is 823. Which one is greater? Are they equal? Number one? No, they're not equal because they have different amounts of hundreds. So which one is greater? Yes, 800. There are more hundreds in this number than this one. 800 is greater than 723. So we're going to draw this symbol to say 823 is greater than 723. Looking forward to seeing your completed inequalities and equations when you compare using greater or less than symbols.